Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. By the grace of Almighty and Merciful Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your friend and brother Muhammad Naeem Khan. This message is specially for the UAE government. UAE government has closed almost everything, but I would like to bring to their kind notice that what is the reason behind not to close the construction sites where thousands of workers are always gathering. They are eating together, they are resting together, they are working together. Are they safe? This is my question from the UAE government. And another thing is why they are not closing the construction sites, which I believe right now the most dangerous sites around UAE. If one worker is a victim of coronavirus, I believe it will transfer to thousands of other workers as well as the company staff. I'm going to share with you one small video where the workers are gathering and they are waiting for their toolbox, and where they are getting TBT, toolbox stocks. They are also together over there, you can see in the photos. So my question in the end again is why UAE is not shutting down all the construction sites for 14 days as they did for everything. I would like to request you all to comment on this video if you believe that yes, construction workers are at risk at the moment. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.